Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, the go-to channel for all things natural and wellness. And today we've got a hot topic that affects many of us, acid reflux. If you're tired of dealing with that burning sensation and want to kick acid reflux to the curb, you're in the right place. Is acid reflux making your life miserable? Suffering from that burning pain in your throat or chest after eating? You're not alone. Over 60 million Americans experience acid reflux symptoms at least once a month. However, you don't need to put up with it or rely on medication long term. There are simple, natural home remedies you can use to find relief fast. In today's video, I'll be sharing my top 5 home remedies to soothe and eliminate acid reflux without harmful side effects. First is baking soda. By neutralizing stomach acid, baking soda provides quick relief when you're having an acid reflux flare-up. Just add half teaspoon into 4 ounces of water and drink. It works instantly to calm the burning sensation. Drink slowly to allow it to work and repeat as needed up to 3 times per day. The second remedy is apple cider vinegar. While counterintuitive to use an acid to treat acid reflux, apple cider vinegar works by correcting low stomach acid. Mix 2 teaspoons into 1 cup of water and drink before meals. The healthy acids help prevent the valve at the top of the stomach from opening at the wrong times. Aloe vera juice is third. Known for its digestive soothing properties, aloe vera juice coats and protects the esophagus and stomach lining from irritation. Drink 2 ounces 20 minutes before meals. Many also find relief by using organic aloe vera gel to make their own cooling, soothing juice blends. Ginger is also wonderful for settling the stomach naturally. By inhibiting stomach contractions, ginger prevents food and acid from being pushed back upwards. Drink freshly grated ginger tea or chew ginger candies after larger meals. The spiciness signals your stomach to stop churning. Finally, papaya enzymes aid digestion, reducing instances of indigestion that lead to reflux. Papaya-based chewable tablets are available to pop after meals high in protein, fat or carbs in order to properly metabolize the nutrients. After watching, you will have 5 natural remedies on hand at home to start getting relief today. No more discomfort, no more sleepless nights. Just safe, affordable solutions to acid reflux the natural way. Now, let's get started.